Contradiction, contradiction, contradiction. Meaning: a contradiction is when two things cannot both be true at the same time. They disagree with each other. Examples: he said he loves dogs, but he also said he hates animals. That's a contradiction. The report contains contradictions. It says the project is finished and not finished at the same time. You told me you didn't go out, but your photos show you outside. That's a contradiction. So, contradiction means two statements that clash or oppose each other. They can't both be true. Thanks for the company. Until we chat again. Bye.